If you want to learn how to find your Google document, this video tutorial is for you. So I'm on the Google document dashboard, and let's say you have a document that you've prepared a couple of months ago and you needed to find that document and you can't find it, right? You have a whole lot of documents opened or that you've prepared, right? Just come to the search bar. So what you need to do is to remember a word or a bunch of words from that document that you prepared. So in my case, I want to search for my resume. I'm just going to type Abbas resume, Abbas resume. And as you can see, it's already suggesting a couple of options for me to select from. I'm just going to click on Abbas resume and it would load up my resume for me. This is basically how you access your document, right? You find, right, your document in Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.